Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are going to talk about the most trending thing in technologies. So Android 9.0 is released and the name is also revealed, Android Pie. So we are going to talk about it, the new features which recently is released on the market. So we are going to deal with it. Let's start.
So talking about the new features, there are few new features added to the Android Pie. So first of all, let's deal with it. Gesture navigation is the most important features in Android Pie. The new gesture navigation has a new home button which is now a peel shaped and it moves. If we tap it, it goes to the home. If we flick it up, it goes to recently used app. If we swipe up twice or pull it up, it goes to the app royal. So let's go to the rotation suggestion. It's a small change, but it is the most useful change. Now you can now you have rotate lock turned on and stop the screen rotating violently accidentally, and you turn on your phone intentionally, and a little button appears in the navigation bar. Time and the next update is the time on the left for the screen notches. As we know, in OnePlus 6 and Huawei P20 Pro, the notches are available. So it doesn't allow us to. It affects the time. So the most dramatic change in here is that the time button is shifted to the left corner from the right corner. And the next feature is the adaptive battery and brightness. Adaptive battery is the most biggest improvement on Android. Using the system developed by the Alphabet AI outfit, DeepMind, adaptive battery learns an individual usage pattern and directs the power to only the app you need at the time you need them for the more predictable day-to-day battery life. So smart replies. Smart replies has been in several apps for a while, including Gmail and Google detected smart reply app. But now you will be pushed to more apps and accessible directly from the notification for easy one replies. App actions. It is also an important features. App action is another AI integration attempt by the Google, which seeks to predict not only the apps but you want at any particular moment, but an action within the app too. For example, I normally play my Discover weekly playlist from the Spotify in the morning. So when I open the app drawer at 8 a.m., it's right in at the suggestion for one tap access. Text selection. Apple iOS has had a magnifying glass for text selection for ages. Now Android does it too. Tapping on the bit of the text still selects it, but when you drag on one of the text selection handles, you now see a magnified box appears immediately above your finger to make the fine grip selection easier. Talking about the privacy, the Google is revamping the way Android handles background apps to better protect user privacy. Starting with Android P, the apps given permission for location, microphone, camera, and network status will no longer be able to access them when idle in the background. So I have a question in the mind. What happens to the smartphone addiction features? While Android Pie has been released, not all the features shown off by the Google at its developer conference in May are fully baked yet. Two big new features has yet to arrive. Slices and Google digital well-being tools. Let's see what happens. Slices. What is Slices? Slices displays information from app directly within the Google search apps in a similar manner to the way Google displays snippets of information within boxes directly in the web search results. And what is Google Wellbeing? Google anti-smartphone addiction tools, collectively called Google Wellbeing, are currently in beta testing for a select numbers of users. They include dashboards which show you how much time you're spending on your phone and in apps, app timer which allows you to set time limits for certain apps. So these are some few new features added to the Android 9 Pie. So the updates are coming on your recently released smartphones. Hope you get it. Thank you, and please like and subscribe my channel.